Let's learn how to play Slapjack. This is a classic kids game which helps young children with pattern matching, focus, and also helps develop social and emotional skills. This game can be played with 2 or more players. Before we begin, remove the unicorn card. Distribute the cards as evenly as possible among the players. Do not look at your cards. Youngest player goes first and starts play by placing their top card on the play pile. Play continues with the next player. If the card being played matches the top card on the play pile, all players need to be ready to slap the play pile as gently as possible. The first player to slap the pile wins the round and adds all the cards from the play pile to the bottom of their card pile. A Jack or Jill card is like a wild card and can match any card at the top of the play pile. Players need to watch and be ready to slap the pile if the card being played is a Jack or a Jill card, again as gently as possible. The first player to slap the pile wins the round and adds all the cards from the play pile to the bottom of their card pile. If an action card is played, player playing the action card needs to perform the action, and play continues with the next player. Play ends when one player wins all the cards and wins the game.